Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan. Sadyang malayo na po ang ating nararating at papaunlad po ng papaunlad ang teknolohiya. Ang pagka-develop ng mga application na powered by artificial intelligence ay sadya naman talagang nakakalito, nakakalinlang at marami naman po ang naniniwala. Mayroon akong isang video na nakita sa TikTok na kung saan ay mayroong expose di umano si Vice President Sara Duterte kaugnay po sa isang application na ginawa ni President Ferdinand Romualdez Bongbong Marcos Jr. na kung saan ay masasabi nating fly-by-night application wherein we can earn as much as 1 million in few days and weeks, no, or even months. So napaka-imposible po nito mga kaibigan, kahit na po Pangulo pa ang mag-endorso ng ganitong application, medyo imposible po ang ganitong platform. Nakikita ka kaagad, no? Yung Maharlika Investment Fund na nga lamang po mga kaibigan ay hindi pa po nag-uumpisa. So magkakaroon pa ng isang application na kung saan ay maaari tayong kumita ng milyon. At ang nakakalungkot dito mga kaibigan ay niloloko po ang tao na sa halagang 15,000 pesos maaari tayong kumita ng milyon. Okay? So this is not about BBM. This is not about Duterte. This is not about me being pro Duterte. And this is not about me being against the administration. Ito po ay isang video na kung saan ay ginawa ko, natuklasan ko na maging mapanuri po tayo sa lahat ng bagay, no? Maging mapanuri po tayo, isipin nating mabuti kung really makes sense nga ba, makatotohanan ba ang sinasabi sa mga video, sapagkat ang video na mapapanood po ninyo, kung titignan po ninyong mabuti, ay akala mo totoo, pero ito po ay isang hoax lamang. Hindi po ito totoo. Ito po ay powered ng artificial intelligence. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, kung bago ka sa aking channel, huwag kalilimutang mag-subscribe. Napakahalaga po na magkaroon kayo ng isang platform na kung saan ay maaari kayong magabayan kung ano nga ba ang totoo at dapat ninyong paniwalaan. Ako po si Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan. I am a data scientist by profession with more than 23 years in technology and with technology and analytics. Ayan. So, ako po ay isang data analyst. Ako po ay kumuha ng kursong statistics. Meron din po akong master's in applied statistics and also a bachelor's degree in law, no? So, kalimutan po natin yung degree ko po sa law, pero ako po ay isang statistician, data analyst or data scientist. So, alam ko po kung ang isang video ay isang fake, no, o gawa po ng AI, sapagkat yung aking condominium po ay powered po yun ng AI. Ibig sabihin, with just voice command, maaari kong utusan, no, na mai-close o mai-open ang television, manood ng TV, buksan ang Facebook ko, o kaya naman ay i-on o buksan po yung YouTube at magkaroon ng mag-video, okay, ganyan. So, yung ilaw, maaari ko rin po itong utusan by just a voice command and even the aircon. So, ganyan po ka-powerful ang AI sa kasalukuyan. When I was in Malaysia and nung mag-apply po ako bilang data scientist doon, nakita ko po yung husay po ng AI, no, yung kay Alexa, na kung saan ay inutusan po nila si Alexa na isara o kaya buksan ang pinto, no, kapag merong conference room. Ayan po, at mga kaibigan, sa yung power po ng Alexa na yan, maaari din po nilang sabihin o utusan si Alexa na kapag maingay na sa isang conference room, ay magsasalita si Alexa na counting katahimikan habang nagsasalita ang speaker, something like that. Those are some of the skills na kaya pong gawin ng artificial intelligence, lalo pa ngayon sa ibang bansa na talaga namang napakarami ng napakahuhusay na mga data scientists and data engineers and of course data architect. So panoorin po natin ang video na ito, mga kaibigan. Ito po yung isang video na aking nakita, no, while I'm browsing the TikTok, no. Ang video na ito ay mula ang may title o pamagat po, Sultan Sabarit Vlog, no. Sara Duterte exposes Marcos lies, he hid an opportunity that could change everyone's life, no. Makikita sa mga comment section po ng video na ito, ang dami pong nagko-comment, no. Kaya nga po yung comment ko dito, don't believe in this, this is a hoax and AI video. PBBM leadership is what we need for a stronger Philippines. Ang dami pong naniniwala, no. Ayan, no. Copy paste pa mo, ha ha ha. Panaginip mo lang. This platform ay kay Elon Musk. Sinisi nga ni Mr. Elon Musk si BBM. Bakit hindi niya sinabi ito sa taong bayan? Nakakatakot na ang AI ngayon, tapos ang dami ding bobo na naniniwala dito. Ayan po, di ba? Where is it? Is this true? BBM resign, please. See, if Sara wouldn't spoke about this matter, we Filipino don't know. And Bangag just answered because Sara exposed him already. Hay na lang. PBBM, bagong Pilipinas and a stronger nation. Let's unite for a better future. PBBM, bagong Pilipinas. He is a king of liars. Yes, BP, speak up the truth. Yan ang sinasabi ni Elon Musk sa ginawa ni Bangag. Kung hindi binulgar ni Sara, hindi yan lalabas. Grabeng trolls diri. Okay, so this is actually a hoax, mga kaibigan, no. Hindi po ito totoo. Let's watch this video and you can see it, no, kung ano po ang sinasabi sa video na to. PBBM is the leader we need. Bagong Pilipinas will be our legacy. Alright, so ang dami pong kababayan natin ang maniniwala sa mga ganitong video if hindi po natin ikakalat ang ganitong uri po ng video, no. So it seems na akala mo totoo tong video na to, but this is a hoax. I tell you, this is a hoax. Alright, since this is a fly-by-night opportunity, an investment opportunity na fly-by-night. Saan ka nakakita? Kikita ka ng milyon in just a week or a month? Hindi po tama itong ganitong AI. So sa mga gumagawa po ng AI, wag naman po tayong maging ganito, no? Hindi na po tama. Alright, so let's watch the video.
A scandal that shocked the entire nation. Why did President Bongbong Marcos stay silent about a platform that can bring Filipinos up to 2 million pesos a month? Sara Duterte accuses the president of deliberately concealing this unique opportunity from the people. What is the government really hiding? The full details coming up right now.
Dear Filipinos, I am here to expose the truth. Bongbong Marcos must explain why he hid from us an incredible opportunity to earn. He intentionally kept secret a platform that allows people to make up to 2 million pesos a month with a minimal investment of just 15,000 pesos. This platform was designed to help all of us overcome financial struggles, pay off debts, buy our own homes, and achieve other goals. Cutting-edge algorithms automate the earning process, and you don't need to be an expert. All you have to do is register, make an initial investment, and the artificial intelligence will work for you. But the government fears that this platform could threaten their control and the interests of big corporations, which is why the political persecution of me and my family is no accident. But I will not stay silent. This is a chance for everyone to achieve financial independence. The Philippines deserves better. Thank you.
President Bongbong Marcos's response came quickly.
Today, I want to clear up the situation in response to Sara Duterte's accusations. I have nothing to hide. Yes, there is a legal financial platform that helps Filipinos earn money. We developed software that automatically trades stocks and digital assets. The project passed 6 months of successful testing, and after its success, the government approved the issuance of a license. Now anyone can earn a guaranteed passive income of 75,000 pesos per day, totaling around 2 million pesos per month. This project was created to improve the well-being of citizens and strengthen the economy. During the first month, participants will be able to experience all its benefits and solve their financial problems. Registration is available for just 15,000 pesos, and those who sign up early will be able to earn even more. Don't let manipulation deceive you. Together, we can build a better future for all of us.